What we have here is my latest iteration of a target for pistol shooting, and in the target is being controlled by Android phone or iOS, whatever, and you have service shot. So if you press on service, you have service shot. You press on standard, obviously UIT standard, and then center fire or spot pistol, and here's IPSC. And with IPSC, you can change the time in between of shot, the exposure time or time in between shot, we'll call it interval. And here you also have the sequence of shot. Therefore, you have, for example, 1 2 3, 1 3 2, and 2 1 3. So in this case, I'm putting a servo here to give example how it works. Obviously the timing is not so good on servo, but on the standard target with pneumatic will give you a better timing. Here we'll try 1 2 3 on servo, on the IPSC mode, and I press 1 2 3 and the target face away, and then after 7 seconds prescribed, the target will face to you. In target 1 you shoot them and put away, and the interval of 1 second and go away, and then interval another second, and then go target 3, and then all 3 target face away, and then you wait 7 seconds, and from there you go back to rest. Now something like service shot, for example, you have a 4-second service. There you are, 4-second service. Now if I press on 4-second service, all target will face away for 7 seconds, and then you face to you at 4 seconds, and you can shoot them, bang bang bang, and then after that you face away for 7 seconds, and then come back to 7 seconds. After that 7 seconds away, I'll come back and go to rest. Yeah, so that's that. It works.